So the last time I went down this road before, and then we went over to this side of the road. Now, what's new is that all of that area was just grass, shrubbery. Of course, you see a lot of marl, loads of marl, I don't know how you say it, and the gate is there now. And then the last time I came here, that gate over there was not there, and these lights weren't there. So these are new installments. Okay, it's called Thorn, and if you, as you see, the light fitting. I wonder if I can count them. I'm gonna try and count them. So this is another one, another set. All right, so somebody told me the last time I drove past here that these are placed instead of normal lighting because of the planes. So if you realize, they're set in a way where the light will be shining down rather than up, and then the top part is covered so that the planes aren't able to see them whenever they're coming into land, and mistake it for the lights on a runway. Another change is right here. I don't recall seeing this the last time. I'm gonna have to look back on the first video that I did of this area where I did a walkthrough. This seems new, right? And then here you have so we're gonna take it a little bit further and see if there's anything new going on down that section. I'm standing in front of the 14th one. I'm counting them. To 25, stretching from all the way there at the intersection, going right to that white this whole area. The road has been fixed. All right, I don't recall being able to see the sea so clearly. Yeah, I don't recall this, but look at that. And this wasn't there because I was able to actually look over at the water right here. So see that? Look at the sea. So pretty. So pretty. James has been so windy for the last few days, or like has it been about a week or so? I have up my umbrella because of the sun really hot. So the sun hot like crazy and the place windy. But anyways, out to blow me away. Oh, alright, I'm gonna put down the umbrella. Hold on. Because the umbrella look like a blow one, blow me or fight me. Alright, look at that. Look at that. Pretty. Alright, and then okay, so this one. You can see the work that they're doing over there. I think I'm going to cross the road after this so we can get a better view of what's what's going on over that side. That's the third delta since I came over this area. The sun. Alright, so this is what I'm going to try and do. I wonder if they would allow me, if I can walk down that side. I'm going to see if I can get a closer look at the sea. Yeah. But I think if people them come tell me say me a trespass, boy. Oh, look at the horizon. Look at the beautiful blue sky. Alright. Okay, so this is as far as I'm going to go, guys. Yeah. Yeah, let's turn back around. I guess. Cross the road so I could get a better view. Now let me tell you something. Look at the pretty sky. Look at the clouds. So billowy, so beautiful. So where's that plane going? That looks like a Cessna. Got it. So we are almost at Sandals. And you can see how long this area is that they're working on. So the person who, for somebody I spoke to, was saying that why it's taking so long to kind of finish up is because all this area is like dump up marshland, and of course they have to make it foundation very secure, strong, so that it can take the weight of the planes, the aircrafts, and large aircrafts as well. So once again, we're right at Sandals. Not there's another plane coming. I will show you guys. See, you see it in the distance. Is it landing or no? It's landing, not lifting off.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. Just treat your mind. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here.